Hello my dear brothers and sisters. Now we'll discuss about how to restore authoritative Active Directory with PowerShell. As I said before, to restore Active Directory, you need to boot your server with safe mode. So here I have already boot my server with safe mode. So now we'll go ahead and open our PowerShell. Now in PowerShell, we need to type this following commands: wv-admin and get versions. Okay. So this command will get all of our Active Directory backups. So press enter here. So here you can see I have already a backup here in on 1st October at 4 p.m. So this backup target is level as E. Version identifier is 10/01/2018. Okay. So now what do we need to do? First we need to do a non-authoritative restore in PowerShell. We have already done non-authoritative restore using Windows Server backup tool. Okay, so now here we'll do non-authoritative restore using PowerShell. So type as in wb-admin space start system state recovery version double colon. Now the version you need to put this one. Okay, so what is the version now? 10/01/2018 hyphen 10 double colon 40. Okay, now you press enter. So before I press enter, the system state recovery, I have already discussed about what is a system state. So you can visit my previous video and you will get to know. Okay, so now I will press enter. Now it is asking me, do you want to start the system state recovery option? Yes, so I'll type Y and press enter. Then it is asking me, the recovery operation will cause all replicated content on the local computer to resynchronize after recovery. This rise in the network due to, okay, you need to put yes, Y and press enter. Starting a system state recovery operation, processing files for recovery. This might take few minutes. Okay. So according to your database, it will take that much of time. So I think I do have database of likely 8 GB. So it will take around 20 to 30 minutes. So up to then I will pause my video and I will start once it will be completed. Okay. Now you can see the non-authoritative restore has been done in PowerShell. So now we'll go for authoritative restore using PowerShell. Okay. So you need to open another PowerShell. In order to do authoritative restore, you need to type entity sutil command line tool. So herein I'll type entity sutil and press enter. Now you need to activate instance ntds. Okay, then press enter. Now if you want to see what is next, so you can type here help button and press enter. So here you can see several commands are there. So here we need to do this authoritative restore. So we can type it here, authoritative restore and press enter. Okay. Now also you can type help and you can see several commands are also there. So here we need to take this restore subtree. So type restore subtree and give your OUs. Okay. So OU will be like my CTC users. Yours would be different. So what are the OS you have configured in your Active Directory? You need to remember those things, or you must have write it somewhere. So you can put it here. and you can port DC's domain component like your domain controller CTC and domain component COM. In my case, it's CTC.com domain controller. In your case, whatever your domain controller would be. Now press enter. Now it is asking for, are you sure you want to perform this authoritative restore? We'll go ahead and select yes. Now you can see opening DIT data was done. 7 records found and it updated. Now successfully updated 7 records and authoritative restore completed successfully. Okay. Here increasing attribute version numbers by 100,000. So by now this authoritative restore, now this domain controller will force all other partner domain controllers to update its Active Directory database. So that's why during this authoritative restore, it increased attribute version number by 100,000. Okay. So now I'm done here with the authoritative restore. So we'll quit now and quit from the entity SL. Okay. Now we want to restart our server, and before you restart your server you need to wipe out your save boot value from your booting option. Okay, so to do so you need to type bcd edit slash delete value save boot. Okay, and press enter. Now the operation completed successfully and now you can restart your server. So this is all about backup and restore of active directory. I hope you have learned a lot about it. I suggest you guys you practice hard on your home lab so you'll get used to it and you will know better about it. Okay, so in my next video I'll tell you about how to transfer all flexible single master operations from one domain controller to another domain controller. Up to then, goodbye and thank you.